These are the notes that go with the ready in 3.6. In this ready, you're asked to find the point of intersection of a system of linear equations using substitution. So just some language here. Linear equations, lines. System, more than one. And then intersection means where they're equal. So, in this example, we're asked to find the point of intersection of the functions f of x equals 3 of x plus 4 and g of x equals 4x plus 1. So one thing that we could do here that may help sort of show us the way a little bit more easily is to rewrite these as y equals. And since intersection means equal, I'm looking for the place where the y values and the x values are equal. But since the y values are equal, I can actually substitute, replace this y value here with what this y value equals. So this y value equals 3x plus 4. So I replace my y value in the second equation with what it equals in the first equation. And then I still have the 4x plus 1. I now can solve this. So I'll subtract 3x on both sides, which gets me 4 equals x plus 1. Subtract 1 on both sides, and I get that x equals 3. So I've now found the x that works in both of these statements, and they both give me the same y. That's why we said the y's were equal. So if I plug in 3 to this equation and 3 into this equation, I'm going to get the same y value. That's the goal. So let's test that. Let's say we have y equals 3 times 3 plus 4, and we simplify this. 9 plus 4 equals 13. We're really hoping, since this is what we set up, that the y's were equal, that this y is going to be equal to this y. So I simplify, and I simplify. And lo and behold, I have that this x value, x equals 3, gives y equals 13 for both equations. And that's what we wanted. That's what we set up to begin with. My final step here is to write this answer as a point. And the reason we do that is because this is the point of intersection of two lines. Point of intersection. That's what we were asked to do. So we need to write our answer as the point of intersection, a point. In the future, once you find x, you don't have to plug it into both equations. You can just choose one. However, one way to check that your answer for your x being correct is correct, making sure that that's the right answer, is to plug it into both equations and to see that the y is the same value, since that is what I'm going for, that they have the same x value and they have the same y value. If I were to graph these two lines, I would find that the place they intersect, meet, is a point, and that point is 3, 13.